man. This is my hood, baby. You don't know?
Boy, Ron G's. Shout out to whatever you want entertainment. Man, all my niggas up top, all my niggas in the dead end.
We in the Ville right now.
You already know what the fuck it is. It's your man PR. Whatever you want, volume 2, 9/11, nigga.
Somerville, baby.
Hey, Ron, go in on these
Hey,
things.
yo.
Not ready.
Oh shit, homie flooded the whole script. 2 weeks in Dodge could Ryan moved the whole brick, mind you. I was just broke, nobody gave a fuck. No weed, no friends, look cool there when I'm blazing up now. I'm the top boss, you hoping my hustle wash off on you, but it won't. Homie, we not dogs. Trying to hang the future to see me knocked off. Niggas on my dick every day, just like my washcloth. The hustle's new fare, it's a motherfucking new year. Stop dicking, asking where I get my new gear. Rappers, stop asking to get in the booth. When you jaw wagging, I'm 6 spitting the truth, combat. Cause I'm in the column for combat. Palm gats, accustomed to cussing when I rhyme racks. A G on the street, that's what I'm called here. Called county time detention, upstate, dog years. But I ain't here to listen to the people talking the bullshit. My 4/5 bullets, needle coffins. When I pull it, it leaves you indeed exhausted, exhausted indeed. And I'm smoking the trees, walking with me through B&O. He keep the dro, I keep the coke, magnifico. Who need the blow? Who need the hard? The weed and jars, you got it? I take a roll of quarters, I need it all. Hungry, I need a car. I get my dick sucked, I twist haze, grind, get a brick up, get paid. Chrome 9, 4/5 tuck, the switchblade. You ask why niggas bitch up, they bitch me. I been made my bones, nigga, been made. Knew I wasn't graduating to high school in 5th grade. I seen cold killers getting right with the toolie, rocking nice jewelry. They was living life like a movie. Fascinated, infatuated as a child with the lifestyle. Packing bangers in the night owl, white picture with gangsters that pop twos. At 10 o'clock, them niggas making the Fox News. And they listen to pop, reading kites from niggas in jail, missing the block. And I listen as they talk about how they let their guns clap and how they been there and done that. Quran ain't a dime if I'm a boss. I grind with my squad and I grind for the cause.
Okay, that's V.
Shit. Check the most knowledgeable and wickedest nigga you ever come across. You soft, you don't be pissing me off. Look, man, don't have me going my waist. It's something that'll break bones and cripple your taste. Like Ripple the Straight. I'm hitting hard, leaving niggas bent like crowbars and smash scarred them. Yeah, start that over here, cause I was about to go in on that shit. Right, I don't know
what you like that first.